Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in exploring the Slide tab for Google Slides using your computer. Let us be familiar with Google Slides by identifying the functions and commands available on its ribbon. Below the title bar of your presentation is the ribbon. The ribbon consists of the tabs and the command buttons. The sixth tab in Google Slides is the Slide tab. The Slide tab keeps the command buttons for different actions. From the Slide tab, the New Slide command button adds a new slide to the presentation. From the Slide tab, the Duplicate Slide command button creates a duplicate slide and adds it to the presentation. From the Slide tab, the Delete Slide command button removes the selected slide from the presentation. From the Slide tab, the Skip Slide command button skips a slide while in the present mode. From the Slide tab, the Move Slide command button rearranges the order of the current slide in the presentation. You can move the current slide one slide up or one slide down, or move it to the beginning or to the end of the presentation. From the Slide tab, the Change Background command button sets a new background for the presentation. You can choose to change the color of the background or choose an image as the background. Then click Done. From the Slide tab, the Apply Layout command button sets the layout of the presentation. You can then select the layout that is appropriate for your slide. From the Slide tab, the Transition command button sets the slide's transition and the text's or images animation. You can set the transition from one slide to another. As you highlight a text or an image, you can also set its animation. From the Slide tab, the Edit Master command button edits the slide's master and style layouts. Here in the master view, slides can be edited for master format and for styles layout. From the Slide tab, the Change Theme command button changes the theme of the presentation. You can choose from the available themes, or you can import a theme from another presentation. Find the next tutorial video on exploring the Arrange tab for Google Slides using your computer. Thank you for watching. Please write your comment, click subscribe, click like, and click share. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.